State Economic Planning and Development, the district chairman with your executives, Bwanaka with your technical staffs, our members of the council of Patong Town Council, community at large. For me, I'm very happy. I'm much privileged, at least to say hi to you and to highly welcome you to Patong Town Council. Before I go further, I also have a team whom I've moved with. I would like to introduce them. I have the members of the executive. You can get up so that we see you. This is our members of the executive. They're always with us. So with time, we shall get to know them. This is Honorable Omona George, Secretary Production. This one is Honorable Peter Kenneth Jones, he's a Secretary Education. And the other one is a retired Basa, he's Secretary Finance, at the same time Vice Chairperson. Then our Mama is standing for all the passions. So we also have Councillor for Porot, Honorable. There is Honorable Everest. Members, allow me just say something very small. Let me start by appreciating the Chief Justice for his endeavoring to make sure that this project comes. And I also appreciate our dear donor from all the way traveling from abroad, coming to Uganda, particularly Patong Town Council, out of so many town councils in the country, but you have chosen Patong, and to us is a blessing. May God protect you and continue keeping you so that we fulfill the promise that we have started. I'm very happy because we started from nowhere. When Honorable Chief Justice called me and was like, I have a friend whom is in need of giving us a project. So can we go by? And for us, we never rejected. So artfully, we just came out, and that is why today we are here. In front of us, I would also like to appreciate the team of the Town Council. In the past, we have been missing a lot of projects. Reason being, the leadership, when something is coming, it is very hard for them to associate and negotiate with community so that we receive the project. But this time round, everyone is speaking the same language. Whenever project that will come, under all possible means, as the Town Council, we must make sure the project should be put, irrespective of any political difference. Because what we have realized is, like, when the project is coming, there are those saboteurs. Like in either community setting, they are always there. They would want the things not to take place because it is happening in somebody's regime. And here in Patong Town Council, that is not the case. We have totally avoided, and it will never take place. So I kindly request that in case of any development, apart also from this one, you are still welcome. As Town Council, we have land of approximately 42 acres of land. So in case of any development, you are still welcome. And even with our community, we are still able to talk to them. They can still give us. Lastly, I appreciate our community, because when the proposal was just brought, we gathered them. After gathering, we made our consent that we are welcoming the project. So other processes are constant, await anything that will come. But to us, as community of the Town Council, we are not rejecting, we are welcoming, and we pray that God should protect us so that we fulfill what we have started. So with this, I highly do welcome you to Patong Town Council. I say this for God and my country. Thank you.
Thank you. That has been a brief remark from Mayor. Let me straight away welcome